Okay, so we've got one lone cloud out here. Well, a few little ones. Now either these are holograms, projected clouds, real clouds that have little black things that travel behind them, or I really don't have a third idea. But if you look closely, this cloud, if I could just hold it still, there appears to be at the top something manifesting or moving or cloaked or something behind it. I can't even explain it. Let's just watch the shape of this cloud for a while. I'm going to try to get the best focus. Sorry, that's the best I can zoom. Seems as if it's fading away, breaking up. But yeah, let's move over to this one. What the heck? Okay, I just saw these black things with the naked eye fly above. Let's hope they were birds. I have to go back and check that out. I'm pretty sure they were birds. I had to move out to my backyard because I was filming in front. And, you know, everybody has one of those kind of black sheep in the neighborhood. They're always arguing or fighting or loud or screaming out in the driveway. And I was filming this guy up above this guy's house. I wasn't even filming his house, but anyway, he was driving home and drove past my house and saw me pointing my camera the direction of his house. Apparently, I don't know why he did this, but he screamed out bitch. You know, really called a bitch. I mean, I don't even know this guy. I've never even talked to him.
Mom.